Organizing your bathroom might be the only chore less fun than cleaning it. But the tedious task has a serious payoff. Many people have storage issues in their bathroom, whether they have a small or large bathroom. Of all the rooms in the house, the bathroom needs to be clean and hygienic, which can't happen without proper storage. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 8 clever bathroom storage solutions that you should know. Before that, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Okay, here are 8 clever bathroom storage solutions that you should know. Number 1. Rustic wooden bathroom storage cabinet. Using the same system of uniformity and using the same wood for all the elements in the bathroom is a good idea even when done in lighter shades. This bathroom shows that well and has a few break elements that stray away from the monotony of the room. Number 2. Hanging basket on a hook. Bathroom hooks give you a place to hang your most used bathroom sundries. Make sure to hang your accessories from one of stylish, secure bathroom hooks. Place the hanging basket on a bathroom scale to determine its weight. Number 3. Install magnetic strips. It's hard to fight the urge to toss bobby pins and tweezers into a cluttered pile. Outwit your laziness with a magnetic strip that catches tiny items before they hit the counter. Number 4. Small baskets to organize a small bathroom. Baskets are affordable and chic storage solutions. Strategically place some around the bathroom to keep products and accessories organized. A spacious one close to the sink, for instance, can successfully replace bulkier shelves. Number 5. Nautical rope toilet paper holder. Don't let your ship sail on this one-of-a-kind toilet paper holder. This interesting twist on the traditional holder is both flattering and functional. What a perfect accent for a lakeside retreat or a lighthouse-themed bath. And removing the old roll is simple by unhooking the rope at the top. It adds both texture and uniqueness to your bathroom space. The rope design would also work in a farmhouse-style decor. Number 6. Use a movable table. A trolley or side table is a simple but effective way to gain extra storage. Find a basket or box to fit underneath to keep hand towels or body brushes in order, and use the top of the table to keep more immediate toiletries to hand. The best thing is that it can be moved to wherever it is needed or pushed against a wall out of the way. Number 7. Build bespoke shelving to fit tight spaces. Make the most of every inch of space in a tiny bathroom. Fill an unused gap beside a door with custom-made shelves, running from floor to ceiling, and used to stack towels or store toiletries. Have narrow lengths of wood cut to size at a DIY store and slot them into the gap, using mini shelf supports to hold shelves in place. Number 8. Use a bath caddy. Use a caddy to stylishly store some of your bath products, especially if your shower space doesn't have any built-in cubbies or shelves. Even a simple metal version can look elevated in the right environment, as exemplified in this bathroom. That's it. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like this video, click that red subscribe button down below, and make sure you guys have any notifications turned on, so you never miss those upcoming videos. And see you next time.